Why trading can take very long for some people or very quickly for other people. Now, it's another video straight from the head, no script or anything. Okay, I've been trading for about 7 years now, been through it all, know exactly what makes people profitable and what doesn't. Okay, so if you've just started trading or you've done a couple of years of trading, it could be two, could be 5 years, and you're not profitable, and you're thinking, why is this person profitable? Why are they profitable? Why have they been trading for 1 year and you know now they've always been profitable? The reason is not because they have a strategy that works. Okay, and that's what most people believe. Oh, if I find the right strategy, it will work. If I got to keep looking at the charts, I got to keep back testing, I got to keep finding this, and ultimately they don't find it, and they spend years and years, like I did, trying to find the right system. Countless hours of videos, YouTube videos, wasted time. Seriously, now look back, what a waste of time that was. The main reason your friend or that person on YouTube took 1 year to learn how to trade on, or even 6 months, some people get it real easy. It's all because the way they see it, okay, their beliefs are different to yours. Their beliefs are in tune to the market on how you're meant to trade to become profitable. Yours is not, okay? And there's certain types of belief that you need. One of them, okay, you don't need to know what happens in the market to make money. Another one is an edge is just a system over time that produces results. So, over a month's time, you'll lose, you'll win. You might lose 5 trades and you might win 10 trades. You never know. But overall, at the end of that, you might be up or down. That's an edge. And another main one I would say is anything can happen in the market is another big one. Okay? Like, you have to really believe this. And a lot of people, the way they see reality, because everyone sees reality in their own head, their own way, no one can actually see objective reality for what it is. It's all your beliefs that are seeing your own reality. Okay, and this is why you must change your beliefs to be in line with the market. If you do not, you will never ever become profitable. Okay. So some of those beliefs that I just given you, anything can happen in the market. The last one I just said, this one is so important. Okay, this one shows that you do not need to be right or wrong. All right, or it doesn't matter what happens. Okay, you just need to plant your system, do the same thing every time, and allow that system to play out. Okay, because anything can happen. You could have very similar setups. Okay, from one day to another, and one might be a winner and one might not. Okay, so that brings me to the emotion side. If you really deep that and understand that anything can happen, meaning no one can get 100% win rate. Okay, you should know that. Otherwise, you'll be a billionaire. So if you can't get 100% win rate and you have to lose with your system, why have emotions? Like, is it the? I get it. Is there's money involved, but if there's no other way and anything can actually happen, why have emotions? And then, if you really understand that belief, your emotions will turn off. Okay, and that is how you trade and become consistently profitable. Okay, once you have that, and most traders have that aha moment. I don't know if some people have heard of that, but it's very common. It's like, aha, I understand how it works. Why did I not see how it works? Like that. It's because over time your beliefs changed. Okay, over time your reality and your way you perceive the market changed. Okay, you were now in line with the market. Okay, and you're not just trying to find the best setup, trading whatever looks great. And that's what I did for years. I just thought, oh, this looks great. I'll trade this. And obviously that does not work. Okay. That's not how you trade. So, yeah, if you align your beliefs with the three that I mentioned, you're going to see somewhat of an easier time, not just an improvement. You're you're going to just come on your laptop or whatever and just click a button and just see the setup and not even care. All right, you're not even going to look at the mark. You can go to the gym. All right, allow your system to play out, and then whatever. That's why everyone wants to do trading, because it gets to that point where it is one of the most easiest, and actually it gets really boring, okay, because it's the most repetitive thing, but it pays the most money, okay, which is crazy. Like once you get it and you understand it and you shift these beliefs, you will become profitable, which is of course what everyone wants. And now one more thing, that does take time. Okay, you can't just shift your belief like an on and off switch. Okay, you have to look at these beliefs, really believe them consistently over a period, I don't know, of like a month or whatever, and then you'll see reality or the markets in that way. Okay, so I hope this video, well, you found this video very helpful. Please give it a like. Below, there are free links. Okay, one, there's a free psychology community for people who do want to trade, for traders, completely free. And there's also for traders and non-traders, there's a Telegram link below. This gives updates, this gives market stuff, news, and all that stuff. Okay, so I hope you found this video well. Give it a like, comment. I'll be replying to all the comments, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.